and this is just a measure to try to put it back on, so at least you can take me to the mechanic workshop.
Hi guys, so one of my videos blew up on a particular channel that it had no business being in. It's a video about car repair. Just random car repair. I stopped and tried to start my car again and it didn't come up. I decided to record what happened and how I got it fixed. But at the end of the day, I decided, okay, somebody might need this in the future. I posted it on that particular channel and it blew up. And I thought to myself, man, let's try this again. I did another one, and although it didn't do as well as the first one, but it blew up. So I decided I was going to create a channel, a brand new channel, uh, where I would always, post updates on things that I had issues with in my car and how I got it fixed. So guys, welcome to HD Car Chronicles. Here I'll be posting every issue concerning cars, walk you through the process and the steps of how the issues were eventually resolved. So if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. That particular video that I told you blew up on another channel. This is it.
Really can't tell what's going on, but I just parked now and starting the car again. It won't crank or start. See that? No crank at all. So I feel there are just two reasons why this won't start. Let's go check the battery head. I'm be sure the battery head is good. Let's be sure it's contacting well, because I really can't tell what exactly this is. This terminal is a little loose. This is nice and tight though. Make the terminal tighter. Okay, I think it's a little better now. By the way, this is Camry 2004. So let's go and check if this will work. Still won't start. Still won't start. So the next thing we'll check is to be sure if that battery has good life too. So one way to check that is we power our headlamp and go see if it's bright enough. Then we're sure. Okay. Yeah. Headlamp is not that bad. So try again. Still won't start. So the next thing to check is the kick. So I guess probably the kick has failed, and we might just need to heat it a bit. The kick is located just under the filter beside the battery. So you have to get this out of the way to see if it will work. And this is just a measure to try to put it back on, so at least you can take me to the mechanic workshop. Okay, let's try and hope it works. So start. So those are kind of the two things to check when your engine won't start. Yeah, so I guess we might need to be replacing the Kickstarter. So after everything, I discovered that it was the kick, as I said earlier. So I got a mechanic to help me confirm that. So guys, as you can see, he's reinstalling the Kickstarter, and I hope this works. And also, I hope the tips I've shared in this video help somebody else, because I don't even know why I'm making this video, but I just feel somebody might be stranded somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and the tips I've shared in this video would actually help you just get an idea of what's going on. Trying to start the car now to see. Voila. Yeah. So after all, is the kick.
So that's today's HD Car Chronicles. Real problems, real fixes, real costs. See you in the next one.